Hello everyone. Welcome to this Scratch tutorial series where we will be learning how to make awesome games and animations using Scratch. But before we dive into all the fun, we first need to create an account and log in. So in this video, I'll show you how to sign up and log into Scratch. So as you can see, I'm here on the official website of scratch.mit.edu. It's world's largest free coding community for kids. So we need to create an account. At the top right, as you can see, there's a button called Join Scratch. Click on there and then create a username first to join Scratch. And they're giving some information like don't use your real name. So I'm gonna use Cool Coder. Yeah. All right. Oops. Username taken. So I'm gonna add some random numbers. Oops. Yeah. Password we can have a simple one. Okay, hide it. Of course. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm choosing a simple username and click on next. Country, I live in India. Alright, and next. When were you born? So you can use your original date of birth if you wish, the month of birth. Next. Okay, gender, I'm male. Next. Your email address to actually activate your account. This is used to activate the account. Okay, so lambda coding 0 at gmail.com, create the account, and then I'm gonna save it. Get started. That's it. That's all that we do. Our account has been created. You can just confirm your email by logging into your Gmail or whichever account you have used. So yeah, right after that, this warning will not be there. Okay, that's it. That's all for this video. We have learned how to create an account. Okay, so in the next video we will be diving into how to create your very first Scratch project. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more awesome Scratch tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.